Hi, Bryn here. Now, do you have a drum paddle that's broken or damaged? Let me show you how to replace one. Now, this is a drum paddle, otherwise known as a drum lifter. Most washers have three that sit inside the drum, and their job is to both direct the flow of the water and lift and separate clothes during the wash cycle. Now, if yours are missing or damaged, you can replace them quite easily, but you must ensure you have the correct paddle for your appliance. For Indesit appliances, simply enter your model number into the website indesitservice.co.uk and get the right paddle delivered to you. And for washing machines, you can find your model number on the inside of the door. Now, I'm going to show you how to replace an Indesit drum paddle with 12 holes, but the process should be similar for most modern drum paddles, regardless of manufacturer. So the question that most comes to mind when removing a drum paddle is what's holding it in place. There are no visible screws, bolts or fixtures. Well, there's actually a hidden clip on the inside of the drum underneath the paddle, and you need to push down on that clip to remove it. Now, on this model of washer, I can do that by pushing down on the clip through the 6th hole from the front. Now, I'm going to use a small screwdriver, but any long, thin tool will do. On your paddle, you may find that the clip is under a different hole, but they do vary from model to model. So I take the tool and push it through the 6th hole, in this case, pressing down on that clip. There we go. And then slide the paddle forwards, and out it comes. And here you can see the clip that was holding it into place. Now, to put the new paddle in, it's nice and simple. Start by lifting up the clip here, nice and carefully. Take your new paddle, line up the lugs with the holes, like so, and it goes into place with a nice click. So there you go. To order any replacement drum paddles or to live chat with one of our service team, visit indesitservice.co.uk.